LangGraph is actually much easier once you stop treating it like some mysterious AI framework. I want you to think about tools like N8N, Zapier, or Make. Once you build a workflow there, you connect the steps together. One step receives data, another step processes it, another step makes a decision, another step sends the final result. LangGraph works with the same mental model. The difference is this: in N8N, the workflow is very visual. In LangGraph, the workflow is pure Python functions. That is why LangGraph feels low level. But that is also why it gives you more control and more power. At the center of LangGraph, there are three ideas you need to understand: nodes, edges, and the state. A node is one step in your workflow. Most of the time, a node is just a Python function. It receives the current state, does some work, and returns an update. As simple as that. So a node could call an LLM, a node could call a tool, a node could search a database, a node could summarize a conversation, a node could retrieve information from a vector database. That is all a node is, and that is all you need to understand to get started. It is a unit of work. And now edges are different. Edges control where the workflow goes next. A normal edge is simple and it says, after this node finishes, go to that node. But LangGraph becomes powerful when you use conditional edges. A conditional edge lets Python decide the next step. So instead of Python going in one straight line, the graph can route itself. If the user needs information, go to the retrieval node. If the model needs a tool, go to the tool node. If the answer is weak, it retries again. If the answer is complete, we end the graph. This is the difference between a basic chain and a controlled agent workflow. A chain usually moves forward. A graph can branch, loop, retry, and even stop based on state. And this is why LangGraph is extremely flexible and also very powerful when creating these agentic workflows. The state is the memory of the workflow. It carries information from one node to another. The user message can be in state. The model response can be in state. Tool results can be in state. Errors and decisions can also be in state. If this helped LangGraph finally click, comment graph and I will share the beginner structure I use to build LangGraph workflows